दोस्तों स्वागत करता हूं मैं आपका अपने चैनल पे। तो इस वीडियो में हम 14 मई का 2020 का डेली करंट अफेयर्स देखेंगे, वो भी इंग्लिश में। ठीक है, हिंदी और इंग्लिश का दोनों का बना रहा हूं मैं, तो आप दोनों देख सकते हैं। ठीक है, उससे आपका इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज भी इम्प्रूव होगा और साथ में आप करंट अफेयर्स भी सीख लेंगे। ठीक है, तो देखिए, विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग कंपनीज हैव परमिटेड वर्क फ्रॉम होम टू इट्स एम्प्लॉयज़ फॉर एन इंडेफिनिट पीरियड। तो आंसर है ट्विटर। ठीक है, तो ट्विटर said in a statement recently that it has announced a new policy that will allow its employees to work from home not only currently in the wake of the coronavirus pandemic but also indefinitely afterward if they wish to। ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर ट्विटर। नेक्स्ट है, विच नेशन हैज सेड दैट इट विल अपोज यूएस अटेम्प्ट टू एक्सटेंड आर्म्स एम्बार्गो ऑन ईरान। तो रशिया इसका आंसर है। रशिया स्टेटेड अनाउंस that it will oppose any attempts by the United States to extend the arms embargo on Iran and reimpose UN sanctions against the Islamic Republic. The Election Commission has set up a committee to examine Gujarat High Court's judgment on which constituency। तो ढोलका। ठीक है, The Election Commission has formed a 3-member committee to examine Gujarat High Court's judgment on an election petition concerning Dholka Assembly constituency। ठीक है, The next question is, who will be representing India at the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Ministers meeting? तो answer is S. Jaishankar. India will be participating in a meeting of foreign ministers of Shanghai Cooperation Organization on May 13, 2020. The External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar will represent India at the meeting, which will see the participation of foreign ministers from 8 countries. The meeting has been called to discuss ways to cooperate in the fight against COVID-19. अगला क्वेश्चन है, विच स्टेट हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट वन इन इंडिया टू रेगुलेट कल्टिवेशन ऑफ क्रॉप्स। तो द आंसर इज तेलंगाना। सी, तेलंगाना हैज़ बिकम द फर्स्ट स्टेट टू रेगुलेट द कल्टिवेशन ऑफ क्रॉप्स बाय टेलिंग farmers what to grow as a part of its pilot project. Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao issued a statement on May 12, 2020 saying that the state will limit growing of paddy to 50 lakh acres. The next question is, who has been appointed as the new chairman of CBSE? तो आहूजा। ठीक है, मनोज आहूजा। तो मनोज आहूजा was appointed as the new chairman of the CBSE Central Board of Secondary Education on May 12, 2020. He will be replacing IAS officer Anita Karwal, who has been appointed as the Secretary, Department of School Education and Literacy under Human Resource Development Ministry. The next question is, the government has announced how much emergency liquidity for the power distribution firms as a part of Atma Nirbhar economic package. तो the answer is 90,000 crore. तो फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर निर्मला सीतारमन हैज़ अनाउंस्ड दैट emergency liquidity worth rupees 90,000 crore to be infused in DISCOMs against their receivables. This will be done with state issuing guarantees. With the infusion of the money, the power distribution firms will pay the power generation companies. The rebate will be given to those DISCOMs which will pass it on again back to the consumers. The next question is, the government has announced how much reduction in TDS TCS rates till March 31st, 2020. तो 25%। ठीक है, तो the government has reduced TDS TCS rates by 25%, by 25%। ठीक है, till March 31, 2020. This will apply to all payments, contracts, dividends, brokerage The movement, the move will release rupees 50,000 crore in the hands of the people. So thank you. Please subscribe the channel, like and share the video with your family and friends. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.